Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add custom button on any of the product page. So if you want to display that on one single product, you can do that as well. The reason why I'm creating this video is that recently we got a request from one of our clients where one of the product which they were selling, which were very high in demand, got out of stock, and they just didn't want to mention a simple plain message out of stock. They wanted to redirect user to a different form page. So for that purpose, they wanted to have a custom button, not the add to cart and the buy now button on the product page. So that is the saver theme, which I have. You can do that on any of the theme. And I'm going to show you how you can add a custom button, which will look the same like add to cart or buy it now button, but it will be a custom button, which you can take to any of the page. I'll show you how you can take it to this contact page, but you can basically add in any URL. So let's start implementing that. I'm gonna go to the backend of my store. And for that, what we're gonna do, click on online store and basically create a new template for, let's say, this specific product. So I am going to click on edit theme and then create a new template. So let's click on this drop down here and click on this product and then click on create template. I'm going to name it custom button. You can name it whatever you want and then click on create template. Perfect. We have our custom template created. Now, if you want to display that only on this product page, I'm going to assign that template to that product. So let's go to backend on a different window. By the way, guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, I have created hundreds of sections completely for free, which are available in this YouTube channel. All you have to do is go to YouTube Websense Pro, and there you will find all of the different sections which we have created for you guys. So click on playlist here, and here if you search for sections, you can see that there are 18 videos for complete Shopify section, which includes divider, animated team page, WhatsApp button, testimonial section, how many people viewing your product page, how to add a pricing plan table, how to add breadcrumbs, how to add animated circle. I mean, there are a lot of different sections and tutorials which I have created in this channel. So all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel and watch the other videos as well. Okay, so I am going to assign the template to this product, right? So let's search this product. And here I am going to assign the newly template which we created. So our template name is custom button. I'm going to assign that to this product page and then click save. Once done, let's go back to the template in our editor. And now let's first hide these add to cart and this buy it now and the quantity selector. So I'm going to simply click on this icon here, which is for hiding the buy now buttons, right? So I'm going to hide this buy buttons here and then click save. Now, if I go back to my store, hit refresh, you can see that I don't have the button showing up here. But if I go to any of the other product, let's say this one here, you can see that we have buttons showing up completely fine. This is because we have assigned the custom template for that product. And now we will add our custom button. Now, in order to add a custom button, let's go back to our editor and then click on this plus sign to add custom liquid. So I'm gonna search for custom liquid, add the custom liquid, and in this custom liquid, we will need to add some code. And don't worry about the code, you will find all of the code in the YouTube video description, but it's very simple if you want to type it out yourself, suit yourself. I am going to type it in. So that is the button which we will have. So notice you can see that we have this button showing up here, but it doesn't look good, right? So we will need to add classes. Before we add classes, under this inverted commas, within the inverted commas, we will need to add the link where this button will take us. So in this case, I'm gonna add in the contact page link. So let's click on contact, and this is the URL which we have. I'm gonna copy this URL and then paste the URL within the inverted commas. Perfect. And now we will add classes in order to make it same as the other buttons which we have on the product page. So if I go to a different product page, you can see that we have these buttons showing up. We want this button to look like same. And for that, I'm going to add class attribute, add equals to sign, and then inverted commas, and within inverted commas, I'm just going to simply say button. And now you can see that it looks similar to what we have here, right? Now, if you are not in Saver team, if you're any other team, what you can do is using your right mouse click, open the inspect tool. And from here, if you hover over this button, you can see that we have this element, right? And here we have the classes mentioned. So when you hover over on this element, it highlights this button here, meaning this HTML code for this button. And here we have this classes here. You can simply copy these classes and add the same class attribute on your code as well. So if you simply copy this code, complete code, and then paste it within this code here and completely replace that with the code which we copied, you can see we have this button, and it's not just a button, it will also copy the hover effect. So if I click save and then preview it, you can see that we have the hover effects as well. And the button, if we click on it, it's taking us to contact page, right? Now, ideally, you would want to rename it to contact. So here is where it says button, just simply type in contact. Now, you might want to have it full width. If you want, you can add some more code. And here, just mention this class. And then we will be adding width, which will be 100%. So you can see that we have our button, which is in 100% width. And you can change the width as well. If you wanted to have like 80%, not the 100%, you can add the width as well. Or if you know how to code in CSS, you can add in custom CSS code as well. So if you don't know anything about HTML and CSS, I have a huge playlist, long videos teaching you guys how you can learn HTML and CSS. For now, I'm gonna add in 100% here, and I'll add all of this code in the YouTube video description. There will be a link. When you click on that, simply be able to copy this code and paste it on your custom liquid. And that's it for this video, guys. Also, if you are struggling for the sales, if you want to increase the average order volume, we have created an app just for you guys by the name of Big Bulk Discount. So Google that Big Bulk Discount Shopify, and you will have this app where you can add volume or tier-based discount, which will help you increase average order value. And the app also provides free trials. You can try it out, see if it helps, continue using it. Otherwise, simply uninstall the app. And that's it for this video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.